One of the protocols for the management of bells of facial palsy is electrical stimulation. It is very simple to use the TENS units and other equally important modalities for this stimulation. This protocol can help retrain the function of the muscles which are weak due to the Bell's palsy or facial palsy. It is permissible to revive the weak facial nerve via the stimulation. But to achieve best result for your stimulation relies on correct placement of electrode pads. This has become a common problem in the clinical settings, and we need to make more emphasis on it. There are sections on the face which relate to a particular muscle or muscle groups where stimulation can be done. We don't just place the pads anyhow. Any area with a pad should have reason to which it is applied there. This video places more emphasis on how these areas can simply be located and highlights the specific structure in a more detailed description for better understanding. Let's do this. The muscle marked A is called frontalis muscle. This muscle forms the bulk part of the forehead. Frontalis muscle helps elevate the eyelid. The muscle marked R is called corrugator supercilii. The corrugator supercilii creates vertical wrinkles on the forehead. The muscle marked Q is called orbicularis oculi. The orbicularis oculi closes the eyelid. The muscle marked B is called zygomaticus. The zygomaticus muscle pulls the angle of the mouth superolaterally. Meanwhile, in coordination with other muscles too, the zygomaticus muscle helps in making facial expressions and facilitates speech. Now the pointed part is the medial branch of the facial nerve. The muscle marked C is the elevators of the upper lip. These muscle groups help in the elevation of the upper lip to expose the maxillary teeth. Now this section too forms the lower branch of the facial nerve. The muscle marked P is called the bicinator or the risorius muscles. The bicinator holds the cheek to the teeth and assists in chewing. The muscle marked F is called orbicularis oris, the upper branch. The orbicularis oris helps in oral facial functions such as whistling, chewing, swallowing, sucking, vowel pronunciation, and kissing. The last muscle marked M is called mentalis muscle. The mentalis muscle provides stability to the lower lip to allow it to pout and elevate skin of the chin. And so all these areas with plasters are called motor points. They correspond to a particular muscle or muscle groups as well as nerves which help keep our face for certain expressions and functions and also helps maintain facial symmetry. In the case of Bell's or facial palsy, these areas can be used as areas to receive our electrode pass, and the further stimulation will have effects on a particular structure on which it is placed on. Thank you for watching today's episode. I will encourage you to subscribe and like this video, and also come back later as I take you through how you can use TENS for facial stimulation.